What's going on, guys? I got a 1973 Camaro up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I believe it's got a 350 in it. I haven't ran the numbers yet, but that's what I've been told. It's a 4-speed for $16,900. So I'm gonna do a little walk around on it. I already got the hood up because the springs in there, they're just not holding the hood up right now. So I went ahead and popped it for this video. But I'm gonna do a little walk around, point out any kind of flaws that I can find. I noticed there's a bunch of little scratches in the front nose here. Real light scratches. I don't even know if they're picking up on my camera here. Some stuff that can be buffed out. Same with this. The little bumpers in the front, it's got some pitting on it, I guess. Probably original. And then the hood release is actually extra long. I don't know why. I guess somebody wanted for easy access. But I'm gonna run down the side. I know there's a lot of little chips. See a little crack on the hood there. See the chips in the paint, they put some lipstick on, so to cover it up. There's a little dent in the door right there. Also a chip. It's kind of chipped up as well. Somebody painted the trim black. The trim around the windows lost its shine. It's kind of flat looking. Same with the bumpers on the back. Looks like the trunk lock's missing. I should have brought a screwdriver. I could open that up for you. Otherwise, I got detailed pictures on my website, maplemotors.com. You could check it out. Some chips back here as well. It's like the clear coat's trying to come up there. Trim's the same way, it's lost its shine on this side. And there's some bubbles on the passenger side. Same on this door. See a little crack on the other side. Trim rings around the headlights. Not shiny anymore either. It's a 73.
73?
Mm-hmm. I noticed the power steering was acting a little funky. Tried to grease the belt up a little bit because it was squeaking. And it's cutting in and out. It's probably just slipping from that grease, but normally if I set that on there, it'll stop the squeaking. Didn't help the power steering either, but check in here. I'm gonna check the floor here. It seems to be, it's a little wet up here. I think a little water's been getting in here. It don't smell like it. There's a very little amount, but that mat being all torn up let me know that it was getting a little wet, because they just rip as soon as you get in there. Weather strip in here is, it's a little dry, still squishy. That water could be coming from the front window. Seat's been ripped up on the driver's side. Passenger side looks pretty good. Back seat looks pretty good. Carpet's not too bad. There's a little rip right here. Needs a headliner. Headliner's missing altogether. So that's going to need to be done. There's carpet back there around the speakers. Windows roll up and down pretty good. I noticed the radio. They probably had a nicer radio in here and they just slapped this back in here. Well, they put it upside down. It doesn't cut on. They probably didn't even wire it up. I know when people trade in stuff, sometimes they'll take their nicer radios and stuff out. But man, put it in the right way. None of the gauges work that I've seen on the dash. The gauges down here, looks like the oil pressure's working and the temp's working. Running about 30 pounds. Goes up to 50 when you're ready. You can hear that squeaky belt I was talking about. It's the power steering belt that's squeaking like that. Car seems to run and drive decent. If you're just checking this video out, I also do test drive videos. I'm gonna drop the hood down, let you check it out. Test drive videos, you can see that running down the road, me shifting the car. I appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I try to be as honest as I can. That way when you come down to check these cars out, you know what you're getting. My name's Nick. You can talk to me on the phone. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444. We're all family up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Check my website out. I got 100 detailed pictures of this car, any flaws we can find inside, out, and underneath. My website's maplemotors.com. So check that out. Check these videos out here. We've also got a little write-up sheet, everything that works and don't. And we do this on every single car that we got. But I appreciate y'all watching. Hope you keep watching my videos, and thanks again, guys.